everybody, today I'm gonna open a LOL gift. If you haven't heard about it, watch some movies, you will know, and get it from a store. And let's get opening. There's a zip right here. You do not need scissors to open it. I just need a little bit, so I have already cut it, and now we just tear it and zip it down. Ooh, this is cool. Wow. We have a zip here. There. We just have to rip this. Oh, wait, let me use the scissors. There. Oopsie. Ooh, this is cool. Let's use more scissors. There we go. This is so cool. Oh, what are these? Ooh, cool! Look what I have. It's a mirror. Ooh, this color changes. Changes. That's cool. Make sure there's no sparkles. Whoa, this is cool. Wow. Ooh. What are these? Wait, okay. It's there. Ooh, what are these? Wow. Oh. Oh, what's this? This is what it says. Friends, and beauty. Friends and beauty. Are these stickers? Yep, these are stickers. This is the girl. Let's get her out of here. Oh yeah, we have her. Let's check what she does. Looks like the color changes. What does it say? It's a little dress and shoes. You have to. Let's try to get the kid out. The LOL's kid. Woo! She's out. This is how she looks like. She does have real looking hair. So, you can make her drink. Oh, did we already open this? What does he have? This is the comb she has. We can comb her. Cool. We have this one. What's this? Ooh. A purse? Ew, look what she has. No. Is there any more? I'm wondering, what are these? This is hers. And if you want to close them back in here, you can. See? Oh, you can't. Let's get her dressed. This is a cute dress. It's like the sky. Wow. This is cool. Wow, she is cool. Is she mad? Why is her face like this? Now, how does this even get... Oh, we forgot this one. That's why. There. I love the dress. Now let's put our shoes. Which one? This. Right. So it is. So this is it says right below here. Now, I know this one is the right. Look at her cute shoes. Look at her. Ah, there it is. I love her braids. This is left, right or left. Now, does she hold this? Let's see. Yeah, she can hold it. First, let's put this on her. So we have this belt, so I will try to put this on, and when I'm done, I will show you. This is hard to get this on her. This is hard. I never seen a LOL which is so hard. Eek. Her hair is tricky. Taking pictures. Oops. see. Maybe. Can you guys wait? Wait. I'm trying to. I'll let you know when I'm done with this. This is gonna be tricky, so I'm gonna ask for a parent's help and do the buckle here. Okay. So I got this fixed and I got everything organized. These are the boxes to store. This is the comb, the bag, the sippy cup, the glass, the rubber bands, and these are the things you can see what they are from. And this is the mirror. This is the girl I found. And I forgot to show you something. And open something and it will end here. So it was this thing, and this will fit and come in here. So I just have to. Do you see this dot here? It's supposed to be fixed going in there. Oops. Am I supposed to put this for her? Guys, these are skates. These are actually skates. They're not allowed to be in here. There's a skates. We have to put these on her legs and she will skate. Oops, our shoe. Oh, let me try this. It's not fitting, so let's do this. These are some skates. We have to just put her shoes back on. Hey, what are these? Is this a swing? Is this a swing? No, it's not a swing. We will put back our shoes and we will put back her shoes. Ow. Jeez. So this is hard putting on. Now, right with I keep losing my oopsie. I'll pick that up. Hey, what is this? Oh! She can sit in it. That's what it is. She can be in it. Oh, there's her shoe. Now, put it on her. There. Now, look what this is. We have to put her on this. Bye everybody, thank you for watching. Hi guys, I just wanted to let you know that her name is Offbeat, and this is not a swing, it's a handle for this. This is a spray, so we can pretend to change the color of her hair. If you want, come over here. I could do your hair. And this is how she looks now. Before, I have put some more accessories on her. See, I have put her glasses and her the suitcase. Looks like she's going for a vacation. Bye-bye, Offbeat. It was nice meeting you. I hope you have a great vacation for winter. Looks like she's going for a vacation for winter. And I love her accessories, and I just wanted to let you know that this is the comb, this is the sippy cup, these are the rubber bands, and this is the sticker. This is what she has. These are Friends and Beauty. So this is how she is, what she is. And this is the mirror. And look how she looks. She looks amazing. See? She looks amazing with her dress and all. Bye everybody. Thank you for watching.